Are you tired of settling for good enough when it comes to your smartphone's display, camera, and performance? What if we told you Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max could redefine what a flagship phone is truly capable of? We've got some seriously juicy rumors to dive into today about Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you thought the iPhone 15 Pro Max was impressive, just wait until you hear what the Cupertino Giants have in store for us next year. We're talking major upgrades across the board, from a refreshed design to beefed up specs and even some fancy new camera tricks. It's shaping up to be the most ambitious iPhone release in years. We can't wait to give you all the tantalizing details. Trust us, by the end of this, you'll be counting down the days until Apple's next big reveal. Let's kick things off with the aspect that always gets fans drooling, the design. Now, we all know that Apple is a stickler for sleek aesthetics, but it looks like they're taking things to a whole new level with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. First up, brace yourselves for a potential change to the iconic dynamic island. According to the rumor mill, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might feature a much narrowed dynamic island, thanks to the implementation of a new Meta Lens technology for the Face ID system. For those unfamiliar, the dynamic island is that nifty little pill-shaped cutout at the top of the screen that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. While it's become a beloved feature since its debut on the iPhone 14 Pro series, many have lamented its size, claiming it takes up a bit too much real estate. Well, it seems like Apple has been listening, and they're ready to give us a more streamlined, less obtrusive dynamic island on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This could potentially open up more screen space for content while still retaining the practical functionality we've all come to love. But the design changes don't stop there, folks. Rumor has it that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will continue to flaunt its premium titanium build, giving it that luxurious heft and durability we've come to expect from Apple's top-tier offerings. However, the real surprise comes in the form of the other iPhone 17 models. According to the leaks, the standard iPhone 17, the rumored iPhone 17 Slim, and even the iPhone 17 Pro will sport a more complex aluminum design. Now, we're not entirely sure what that entails, but we can't help but get excited at the prospect of Apple pushing the boundaries of aluminum craftsmanship. Whether it's through intricate machining, unique finishes, or innovative manufacturing techniques, we can't wait to see how Apple puts a fresh spin on this classic material. All right, let's move on to the part that gets every tech enthusiast heart racing: performance. After all, what good is a gorgeous design if the guts can't keep up? Well, fear not, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be an absolute beast under the hood. First and foremost, we're hearing whispers from Mac rumors that the iPhone 17 Pro Max and its non-Max Pro sibling will be packing a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM. For those keeping score, that's a massive 50% bump up from the already impressive 8 gigabytes found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, you might be wondering, hey, do I really need that much RAM on a smartphone? Well, the short answer is yes, especially if you're the type who likes to juggle multiple apps, indulge in some serious multitasking, or simply future-proof your device for the years to come. More RAM means smoother performance, faster app switching, and the ability to keep more apps and processes running in the background without skipping a beat. In other words, it's the key to a buttery smooth, lag-free experience that'll make your daily grind a whole lot smoother. But that's not all. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also rumored to be powered by Apple's next-generation A19 Pro chipset. Now, we all know that Apple's silicone game is on another level, but if the rumors are true, this new chip could blow our minds with its blistering speeds and efficiency. Whether you're a power user who thrives on pushing their device to the limits, or a casual user who simply wants a snappy, responsive experience, the A19 Pro is shaping up to be a real treat. And let's not forget about the GPU muscle. With each new generation, Apple has been stepping up its graphics game, enabling smoother gameplay, more immersive AR/VR experiences, and even better video editing capabilities. We can't wait to see what kind of graphical wizardry the iPhone 17 Pro Max has in store for us. All right, camera enthusiasts, it's time to get excited. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to be packing some serious heat in the photography department, and we can't wait to see what kind of magic it'll be capable of. First up, let's talk about the front-facing camera. According to the leaks, the entire iPhone 17 lineup will be rocking a beefy 24-megapixel sensor for those all-important selfies and video calls. That's a massive upgrade from the 12-megapixel shooter found on the current iPhone 15 series, and it promises to deliver crisper, more detailed self-portraits and vlogs. But wait, there's more! While the rear camera setup is still shrouded in mystery, we can't help but speculate that Apple has some major improvements in store. After all, they've been steadily pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography with each new release, and we'd be surprised if the iPhone 17 Pro Max didn't take things to the next level. Perhaps we'll see even better low-light performance, courtesy of larger sensor sizes or advanced computational photography techniques. Or maybe Apple will finally introduce a periscope-style telephoto lens for some serious optical zoom capabilities, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects without sacrificing image quality. And let's not forget about video recording, an area where Apple has consistently excelled. Could we see even higher frame rates, improved image stabilization, or perhaps even support for advanced codecs like ProRes for professional-grade footage? The possibilities are endless. We can't wait to see what Apple has in store. But it's not just about hardware. Software plays a crucial role in any great camera experience. We're betting that Apple will continue to refine and enhance its already impressive camera app, perhaps introducing new shooting modes, improved AI-powered scene detection, or even deeper integration with third-party editing apps. Whatever the case may be, one thing's for sure, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a photographer's dream, and we can't wait to see what kind of stunning visuals it'll be capable of capturing. Alright, let's talk about the canvas that'll bring all that glorious content to life, the display. Now, if there's one thing Apple knows how to do, it's craft stunning, best-in-class displays, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is sure to be no exception. According to the rumor mill, we can expect the iPhone 17 Pro Max to sport a massive 6.9-inch OLED panel, continuing Apple's tradition of offering a larger display option for those who crave an immersive viewing experience. But size isn't everything, folks. We're also hearing whispers that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature the latest and greatest LTPO OLED technology, which promises even better power efficiency, deeper blacks, and more vibrant colors. And let's not forget about that buttery smooth 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. While this feature has been around since the iPhone 13 Pro series, we can't help but get giddy at the prospect of Apple further refining and optimizing this technology for an even smoother scrolling and animation experience. But wait, there's more! One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro Max's display is the potential introduction of an always-on display mode. Now, this feature has been a staple on many Android flagships for years, but Apple has yet to implement it on their iPhones. An always-on display would allow you to quickly glance at the time, date, and incoming notifications without having to wake up the entire screen, potentially saving you precious battery life in the process. And let's be honest, it just looks super cool and futuristic. Well, that's it. If you can't wait to get your hands on it, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you're most excited about: the new camera system, performance upgrades, or that tantalizing display. We're reading all your responses. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.